sick, bro.
Yeah, the island. Yeah, it's a lot on the back. Let's just do that. As long as you
We got Jamal over here recording me as I'm recording him.
Eighth wonder of the world.
And we got the eighth wonder of the world. We have Thor over here on the keys, Michael, and the soon-to-be unknown legend, Dorian Williams. Look into the camera, son.
Look to the camera, Dorian. Go, son. Ooh, what's called that? I want to see if I saw something. Go down. Oh. That was A major. A major 7/9.
I hate you. Space key. What are we doing with this? Just line out?
He has a, what you call it, a box.
Okay.
So,
do you know what it does when he gets here?
I think so. He's probably going to have his bases running to this and to the thing, so he probably have a direct.
Look at the hands, man.
I'll direct out for
Watch
that.
the hands.
This, his box, you know if it'll have quarter or mic? Do I need to have a direct box ready?
Quarter.
Okay, I'll have that ready.
If I could just chop his hands off, oh my God.
This is his DI when he gets here. Put channel A right there.
Yes, sir.
No, I gotta run to the house? No, please don't run. Gotta run to the house?
Come in, second half. What you wear?
T-shirt.
Oh, yeah? 5K, what I have? Okay. Keep that on?
That's why I like you.
I don't play for nobody.
Let run that music with it. Let run the turtle.
Okay. And we finna run the first half of the concert. Now,
We'll do lights. We'll hang lights last.
I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put y'all.
Or do you want some guys to help him hang lights?
I'll get right back to you.
Yeah, lights will take 2 seconds.